Yo, what up you guys? Today I'm heading to a car show which is called the Second Relay for Life. So it's a how you call it, like a charity meet to help aiding cancer research and I think treatment also. But yeah, so I'm gonna head out to this car show slash meet and try to record some footage as well. Driving, you know, we're in traffic. Low-key, I know why the Gretty exhaust is so like hard to get and always sells out. Because it sounds so freaking darn good, dude. Like, I gotta get that mic for the exhaust and fucking record it that way. Oh, it's so good. Just like, oh. Man, watch this. Some seats. Because we have all sorts of cars out here, which is pretty cool. You know, from classics to all the way to now. I guess whoever is, you know, sponsoring. Oh, it's a clean engine bay. Boy, these are beautiful. Crazy. Look at that. It's pretty crazy how they keep these cars so clean. It's like ridiculous. Like you can eat from the car pretty much. Holy shit, dude. They're just like so clean. Crazy thing, I used to work on this too. Definitely, you know, a challenge to work on. Trying to spot my old boss, you know. Look at it at 29. How crazy is that? So simple, and there is like nothing to distract you from the driving, and I think that's just so like beautiful about these cars. I wonder if ever my car is gonna outlive me like this. Oh wow, beautiful. So just simple. And there's the original shop owner. I used to work at his car. This thing sounds really, really, really gnarly. There is like so many cars, I don't even know like where to go or what to record. Back when they could make cool cars, you know, where they didn't have to fucking suck big ass regulations all over the place. It's crazy. Here's the original slip. Wow. It's like brand new still. That is crazy. But I like that they got other cars out too, like that Datsun. Ooh. Pretty mint clean for these cars, you know, this age. Wow. I don't even know if nowadays they offer so many like color options, but I don't know if that's being redone. I don't want to look like a whole ass walk around the car because that's like too weird. These things are really, really big. They really like Lambos. It's crazy, you know, compared to, let's say, like an Austin Haley. It's like they're so much bigger. But I think these cars are also much more fun to drive because they're so small. It's pretty crazy. If you look at it how low the floorboard is to the ground. Pretty crazy, huh? Those are custom cup holders. I will definitely own one of these. They're really nice. These Datsuns, just love how they square. Crazy to drive too, but I like that the wheel is poking out. Beautiful. Crazy. What is that? Carbon cover, huh? Wow. That is crazy. They have a custom carbon cover on it. This thing is crazy too. It's all decked out red. Another one. Just a nice green color. Ooh. These are pretty much the soft top and the hard top version of the same car, pretty much the same color too. A little different. One of these bad boys with slicks. Ooh. This thing is huge. I don't even know what is this. I think that would be super cool, you know, even if I die too and shit, like my family would bring my car out to some meets or something like that. Just as, you know, bring out the car to the meet. Even if I'm not around, I think that would be super cool. So I would definitely like that. I hope they're gonna do that. Only problem, I just have multiple cars, so it's like, fuck, like which one would be the one? But probably my Integra, you know. I would just tell them get like some seats in it, or like refurbish the seats and then just paint it and take it to the show. Ooh, it's for sale too. $13 and $500. That's not that bad. I wish I would have monies, because probably I would have bought it. The only sad part is I don't have monies, so I can't buy it. This green is beautiful though. Oh, he has like a whole photo album of the car. No offense, but that's pretty cute, you know. I should have one too. Ooh, convertible. I think we can agree, like whatever type of car you drive, you can always appreciate a clean engine bay. This is the best color I think on that Corvette, like hands down best color. Forget if it's some Inferno orange or something like that. This color is really unique, really nice. Actually, I didn't know they made convertible Bel Airs. Those wheels are nice on it. And this thing is wild. That is crazy. But it is really beautifully clean. You can eat from it. Nice. You guys better watch my videos so I can build cars like this also, you know. That would be pretty cool, right? God damn. Oh wow. That's crazy. He did a lot of work on this car. This color on the Nissan, just put some black sparkles in it. Oof. I think my car would be pretty much a killer at that point, look wise, you know. I don't know about maintenance wise, right?
Come on, pick one.
Well, see, that's how my Mustang was going to be.
I'm Audi, you know. Oh damn. Over 400. That's crazy. Over 400,000 miles. I mean, I'm at 270, so it's mostly not me though. Ooh. This thing is wild too. But it sounds like pretty crazy too. Man, clean swap. Oh, this color. You know, you can tell me wraps are nice, but nothing is nicer than a great paint job. Why do you think some of the paint jobs on these cars cost from probably $10,000–$20,000 up to like maybe the really crazy paint jobs like probably up to $60,000, depending on, you know, how much of the surface too you have to paint, and I guess how much you have to disassemble the car, you know, to pieces to paint it. Wow. This thing is crazy clean too. Really beautiful cars.